And we have one more offering that I've never actually read to Frey, but it's a poem that I wrote nearly 25 years ago when I was first starting down this path. And it is about Frey and his wife, Gerda. While on lid shelf resting seated, to the north my gaze retreated. Lovely Gerda I did see, shaking linen carelessly. More fair a maid I have not seen, more longing for I have not been. Now my heart is in despair. King and queen of lovely Alfred. To Frey. I don't know how long it's been since people offered poetry to the gods, but I am sure that they appreciate it.